'cause aside from my soul,
Hi, good morning everyone. Today is Friday and I am vlogging. I'm doing a weekend vlog after a really long time. It's very obvious it is because the thing is, I had couple of other videos that I really wanted to edit and put them up before I actually start filming some other videos. I still have those videos, but the thing is, I just cannot edit and I think they're dated, they're like old, so I'm gonna just start doing this weekend vlog because it's been a while that I did that, and I've seen that all of you enjoy my vlogs, like especially weekend vlogs or my daily vlogs a lot more. So here I am. We have just woken up. It's yesterday was a bit tiring. I had an event. I came back late and Jibran's here too.
Hi!
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up? What are you doing?
I'm regularly Mama Recovery.
Really? Okay, yes. So actually that's right, Jibran woke me up. I was planning to sleep a bit more. I was a bit tired. I wasn't able to sleep well since the entire week. Anyhow, I have my coffee here and that makes me so happy. I just don't feel like going and making any breakfast, so I'm just gonna have my coffee here. And Jibran had his pancakes. That's usually his typical weekend breakfast, pancakes or waffles. And now I have a lot of work, not really work, but I really need to clean up a few, one of my rooms where I usually take pictures. So this is a mess because honestly speaking, what happened is all the laundry was dumped here and all the PR packages are here, which I need to unbox as well. So there is gonna be a little bit of work now, plus I have to even edit the video, a whole video.
He doing my camera and the whole time when I'm baby, and I do him with the sword.
So I'm gonna have my coffee now and I'll go and try to clean up, and there are a lot of PR packages that are lying there, so I need to unbox them and I need to actually clean up the laundry from here. So that's how my Friday is gonna be like, at least until the afternoon, and then in the evening I think we're gonna go out. I also wanted to talk to you about these nails that you all have been asking me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. The thing is, these are fake nails. These are Impress stick-on nails that are so super convenient, like especially for me when I really don't have the time to sit down and wait for my nail paint to dry on. No. I usually apply these stick-on nails when I have to go to an event or to a party or whenever I need. The thing is, I literally apply them in the car on my way because they're so easy, so I don't I can utilize the time to apply the nail paint waiting for it to dry to do something else. So I find it such a time saver, and I love them.
aside from my soul.
What are you making?
Ice cars.
Ice cars.
This is baby ice.
How did you make ice cars?
I make it from the fresh. Wow.
How did you make ice cars?
I need to make a ice car.
You put this in the fridge?
Yeah, I did put it.
Hi, good morning. Today's weekend. It's Saturday and Jibran woke up with a fever. He had fever last night, and today is this weekend is also the last weekend before Ramadan. So just wanted to make most of it, but I don't think it's going as we planned. So I was really zoomed in. Okay, so this is also the last weekend before Ramadan, and just wanted to make most of it. But unfortunately, Jibran fell sick last night and he wasn't able to sleep well. I don't know why. He just got fever, which was terrible at night, and he wasn't able to sleep. Plus, my sinus is going so bad. Like, if you see this eye is a bit puffed up, that is because of the sinuses here. Yeah, so we decided to go out for breakfast. Yeah, we're planning to go to this new French restaurant that's at the beach. Yeah, so we're gonna just have brunch, not exactly breakfast because it's already 10. I don't think it's time for breakfast now. So yeah, we're gonna have a brunch there, and then probably I might go grocery shopping. I still need to do that for Ramadan, and then I just need to buy some home stuff like homeware stuff. I hope I get time. Also, I need to actually go to Jareed as well because I have to buy craft supplies for Jabran. Like I've already planned some activities for him for the holidays, so I need to buy that as well. Yeah, so let's see how the day goes on, and I'm going to take you guys around.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so we just finished having our brunch at Angelina Cafe, like Angelina, it's right at the beach. I love the location. It's a pretty place. It's a really pretty place. About the breakfast, I found it okay, pretty okay. Nothing too fancy or nothing too extraordinary, but it was just okay, something like Paul, but I think it was okay. Yeah, I especially liked the way they served coffee. The good thing about Angelina Cafe, Angelina is like they've got a very good space. Like they're very spacious. Like they've got it's huge, okay, so it can accommodate a lot of people at the same time. Plus, when the weather's good, you can sit outside because they have a really good seating right at the beach. I'm going to come again with my friends. I think it's a very pretty place even to click pictures. Flat lays. Jibran was in a really cranky mood since he's still sick, and now we are heading to Danube because I have to do groceries. Yeah. Okay, so we went out to Manuel to buy, to do the groceries, but Jabran again started feeling very, very sick because he's got fever, and now we're back. And Jabran wants to do some stickers. Jabran, what do you want to do?
I'll do stickers and paint.
So first of all, what are we gonna do?
Stickers and paint.
So first, let's put stickers.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so today's plan, today's plan was a bit gone upside down because of
I have a plan to do.
it was just like going very weirdly because Jabran was sick, and he's still really sick, and he took like a very odd nap around 5:30 because he's got really high fever. Yeah, so I did not want to push him to do things. We did not go out. We were just home, chilling out with him.
Can I take the paper away?
Yeah, first put the stickers. Let's put it. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do stickers.
Now there goes a sight from there goes a
Okay, so we did the, we made some snow, and Jabran did that snow activity. It was so much fun. It was, you can put it here.
On the car.
Okay, on your car. So Jabran did the snow activity, which was so much fun. I made snow, and if you want me to give you all the recipe of the snow, that how I made it, it turned out to be a success. It was such a hit. Jabran loved it, and I stored it in a Ziploc bag. I think I can store it for about 2 to 3 days. Yeah, so it was so much fun. If you want me to let you all know the recipe and how I made it, do comment in my comment section below, and I will do that. supposedly whatever craft stuff, like the painting stuff I got, Jabran wants to do all of that today. And now he's sitting there, he wants me to do the hand paint, and yes, that's what we're gonna do now. Say, what's this?
This is hand paint.
And are you gonna do it now?
Yeah.
Alright, so what I did is, because his room, there's some problem with the lighting in the room, so we're doing it in the living area, and I just put this old bed sheet here so that the paint does not come on the carpet. And yeah, I'm just gonna get some papers and start painting. Okay, so I was just making Jabran sleep. He was he was really very tired. The thing is, he isn't feeling well, so he's just getting tired after a couple of hours. Also, I'm beginning to get a sty on my right eye, and it's hurting a lot. See, it's just swelling up. So think I'm just beginning to get it, and I don't think I'll be able to do any makeup tutorials or anything for a while, or apply any makeup for that matter, until this is all okay. Okay, so that's how my Saturday was, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to clean up my kitchen and even the living area, and then I might sleep after that, or maybe do or maybe edit this vlog. Yeah, so I will end this vlog now. I hope you all enjoyed watching this weekend vlog after a really long time. And going forward, I plan to do more vlogs as you all like it. And yes, that's about it. If you all want me to do a separate video on kids summer activities or how to keep your toddlers busy, do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, if you like this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys up in my next video. Until then, have a great day and bye now.